Hey guys, here's 5 tools that every backyard gardener should have. Number 1, you need a hoe. This is a push-pull hoe, and me being a wood chip gardener, it works phenomenal in this garden. It cuts on the push and it cuts on the pull, also known as a stirrup hoe. This is 100% the best and the most used tool that I have in this garden. Also have the standard type hoe. I use it for laying off the rows and anything that I plant into the earth bed. Works great. Number 2, you gotta have a garden rake. Helps you level out the soil or helps you move these wood chips around. The garden rake, you cannot go wrong. It is a must have. Number 3, you gotta have a shovel. You can scooping your compost into your wheelbarrow or your garden cart, putting it in place, and digging any holes that you might need. A shovel. There's a couple of different type shovels. You can do square point, round point, and also have a scoop, which is excellent for scooping the wood chips and laying them right in place. Number 4, a plant auger. Now these comes in a lot of different size. You just have to figure out which size that you need. This was a kit that had 3 and this was the biggest one, which works great. This is what I use to plant my tomatoes. And tomato needs a much bigger hole, so I put it as deep as it will go and then just kind of water it out. So this one's worked great, but now they do make bigger ones, much different length, but a plant auger. And if you're going to plant bulbs, which we're getting to the time of year that you need to be doing that, they make a small one that you can pop right down in the ground and drop your bulb in at the right depth. So if you're not using a plant auger, get you some. Number 5, no backyard gardening is complete without having pruning shears. These I pick okra with, my eggplants, spaghetti squash, pumpkins, watermelons. I use this to snip them off. Also, this is what I use to cut the seed pods off on the plants, on the seeds that I'm going to save. They make them in several different type pruners, but you definitely need pruners. That's my top 5 tools that I think every gardener should have. Most people will have it, but if you don't have them, add them to your tool arsenal. You'll be glad you did. Guys, thanks for watching, and if you grow it, you know it.